we are staying at Rama Gardens. This hotel is very close to Don Mueang Airport and on the main road. I already took a quick look at it, and what I saw is if you like to do sports, if you like to work out, if you like to play tennis, then this hotel is perfect for you. But it's best if you see for yourself, so let's start with the room.
Yeah, they already turned on the lights for us. So when we walk in, we just see the big bed and the spacious room like this. And this room is actually bigger than our condo again, sadly. But yeah, okay, so we have the drink, everything, TV, smart TV, working table with the views of Bangkok. And those tennis courts for Kun Pennyนะคะ. And at first I was wondering, where's the toilet? And here it is at another corner. Tiny toilet. Hello. And another big bathroom. With the bathtub that I can enjoy the bubble bath again. Yeah. The shower head. So here's our hotel review. And look under the TV. It's the DVD player.
That is old too.
Yeah. This is still working. Haven't seen it for like how many years? 20 years already? So this hotel is quite old. I mean, yeah, I've been knowing it for like 30 years, my whole life. But they've been renovating it. Yeah. But yeah, still, if you don't like the wooden style, the old style, so you're not gonna like it. It's a big pool.
Yeah, I think it looks better from here than
From up there. Yeah, from up there, it doesn't look that big.
Should we go for a swim?
Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow.
When it's more like sunny. I think the water is probably cold.
And this is the pool for you.
I was gonna say maybe it's just here. Just sit here and have some beers, ใช่ไหม?
Yeah, this one is not deep.
But this one is 1.6.
1.6 is not that deep either. Yeah.
It's deep. I'm 1.65, so yeah, my forehead is gonna be above the water.
But you can
That's
lift
it.
your head up and you
Yeah, okay, let's check that side. It's tennis court, right?
tennis.
Oh yeah, over there is tennis.
Tennis
But
court, yeah. Like
how do we get there?
That's past the bridge.
But there are 6 courts. Not bad, nah.
6 tennis courts, yeah, like that.
But who you gonna play with?
I play with you.
I'm gonna go collect the balls for you.
We just went to the sports club and yeah, we found out what is free and what is not free.
I mean, there are so many sports.
Yeah.
And I don't know most of them. I mean, I know some, but yeah, there's still a lot more that I don't know. So they have swimming pool, obviously. They have the tennis court. They have 6 tennis courts. But the guests that's staying at the hotel can use it for free until it's nighttime. I don't know when do they have to turn on the lights. Then it's going to be 250 baht per hour, isn't it?
Yeah, 6, 7 when you need the lights. but
Yeah, I don't know
before that,
when.
it's-
I don't play tennis, so I don't know.
It's free, yeah.
Yeah, but daytime is free for the guests. And there are many other sports like pickleball
Pickleball, badminton,
and then what? Squash, เหรอ?
squash.
And badminton that you have to pay to rent the court, and that is 250 baht per hour. Not bad. And they have ping pong for free. And what else?
Another activity that we like, yoga is free.
Yoga is also for free for the hotel guest. And the sun is so bright on my face. I'm sorry that I have to wear sunglasses นะคะ. And they also have sauna, steam, and another thing is what นะ? Hot shower. Whatever. Yeah, but that one you have to pay 250 baht per section too.
That's very easy. So basically everything that you have to
Yeah,
pay is 250
250
baht.
for the hotel guest นะ. I'm not sure whether if you are outsider, can you use it or not, but they have the gym membership too. So if you want to join for like 1 month or a year, they have that offer for you too.
And then there is the green zone. I guess that's a park.
Let's find out. Ooh. How big is this hotel, really?
Oh, what?
This is like,
Upside down.
okay,
Okay.
left or right.
Not really a park, what is it?
Like they do this thing again. Lime tree.
You see this lobby sign is now it's...
This side is not upside down. But do you smell it?
I smell what? No, I don't smell it.
It smells like goat, sheep.
You smell gold.
It smells, you don't smell it เหรอ It smells like that smell มันเป็นกลิ่นสาบแพะสาบแก่อะจริงๆ But now it's flower. Okay, that smell is gone.
There's something wrong with your nose.
Maybe I'm never wrong. Always right. So here's the hotel building. Building B นะคะ There's two building I think. A and B. And this hotel they mainly like do for convention and big meeting and big event. So they have many rooms on the main road of Bangkok. The walkway from the hotel building to the lobby นะคะ and convention hall. In front of us is the place where we're gonna have breakfast, coffee bar, drink bar, German delight, baby. So what should we eat?
Oh my god.
Crispy German อันนี้อะไรนะขาหมูเยอรมัน อันนี้อะไรอะ The one that you like ใช่ปะ Frankfurt sausage and then the sausage
I like
again.
the Nürnberger.
And cakes. Ooh, น่ากิน And then item. Yeah. And we are back to the A building.
The next day.
Who's hungry? But first, before we do anything, I need to get some coffee. My brain is not working without coffee, so cheers.
That coffee tastes so good. I always need it in the morning. The restaurant looks nice, spacious, and now let's try their breakfast buffet. They have a mix of Thai and international dishes with plenty of options to choose from. You will find classic Thai noodles, fresh fruit, pastries, and even Western favorites like eggs and bacon.
Oh, damn, that looks good.
The food is fresh and there's something for everyone, whether you want something light or a full meal to start the day. They even have 2 Indian dishes, I'm a big fan of that, and of course, great coffee. Let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages about this hotel. One is pretty obvious, I think, is that the hotel is a bit old. You see the style, it's not modern, it's carpet, wooden, old style. But I think they did the necessary renovations. For example, they put in new lamps and new TV. So for me, it looks okay. Wouldn't be my first choice, like with this style. But now let's talk about the advantages. The breakfast was really good. Gab and I were really impressed. Like everything that they had at the breakfast was really yummy, and they had a big variety of food. So I can't wait. We have another breakfast coming. We have one more breakfast. And the other big selling point is the activities. There are just so many activities that you can do at this hotel. Tennis, badminton, squash. Yeah, I think you have to decide like what you want. If you need a hotel where you can work out, that is close to the airport, you can get a taxi or you can go with the train with the red line. It's really close. And if you want to stay at that kind of hotel, then Rama Garden is the one for you. And if you want to book this hotel, check out the link in the description. You can book it there and also get some other discounts. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!